When missions are impossible, U.S. Special Forces step in.
U.S. Special Forces are trained for the world's most dangerous missions.
In Special Forces missions, equipment can decide survival. Night vision turns total darkness into a battlefield advantage. Thermal optics detect enemies by body heat. Suppressors reduce sound and muzzle flash during stealth missions.
Special Forces use highly customized assault rifles for precision.
Advanced body armor stops bullets while staying lightweight.
Encrypted radios keep teams connected in enemy territory.
Sierra 1, moving to waypoint 3.
How copy?
Modern helmets integrate cameras, lights, and communications.
Small drones provide real-time battlefield intelligence.
Adaptive camouflage blends soldiers into any environment.
Combat med kits save lives in extreme conditions. Most Special Forces missions happen after sunset.
GPS and digital maps guide missions anywhere on Earth.
Every tool is mastered through endless training.
They can guide air support with pinpoint accuracy.
Skill plus technology makes U.S. Special Forces elite.
This is the power behind America is Elite Warriors.